So hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Realty Income and we're going to be looking at whether it's a good dividend stock to invest in. It's a dividend aristocrat with more than 27 years of consecutive increases to its dividend, and it pays a dividend yield of more than 4.5%, and the stock price still hasn't recovered from last year's stock crash. So we're going to be looking at whether it's a buy. So if you do enjoy, consider subscribing. It is free and it does help me out a ton. If not, thanks for watching anyway. Onto the video. So what is Realty Income and what does it do? So Realty Income Corporation is a real estate investment trust, or a REIT, that invests in freestanding single-tenant commercial properties in the United States, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom. It's raised its dividends annually for more than 25 years straight, making it in a select group of stocks called the Dividend Aristocrats. So its investment portfolio is split into four main sectors: the retail sector, which it has 6,400 properties in; the industrial sector, which it has 115 properties in; the office sector, which it has 50 properties in; and the agricultural sector, which it has 15 properties in. So the largest clients that it caters to includes Walgreens, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, 7-Eleven, Circle K, and Walmart as well. So because Realty Income is a REIT, it's required by law to pay 90% of its taxable income as dividends. And because of this, REITs often pay one of the best dividends on the market, and Realty Income is no exception. It pays 23 cents per share each month for a dividend yield of 4.6%. Keep in mind that it doesn't pay this dividend annually, it does pay it each month. So if you want a steady coming income rather than waiting 6 to 12 months for each dividend coming out, this can be a very good investment for you. So in terms of sustainability, it signs leases that range between 10 and 20 years to commercial businesses, which most of them are established retail chains. As mentioned previously, they supply to 7-Eleven, Walmart, etc. It basically acts as a very big landlord. It collects rent from these services and manages most of the operating costs. Last year in 2020, with the COVID pandemic, many businesses had to shut down, but it really showed how dependable Realty Income's business model is. So despite these shutdowns, Realty Income maintained a 98% occupancy rate, which is down only from 98.6% a year ago. The biggest drop was due to theaters, which almost every other sector paid between 97 to 100% of the rent that they owed. So overall, the company's revenue increased from about 6.7% in 2020 to $1.6 billion. And the cash flow was up 10% to $1.1 billion. In terms of futures growth, earnings are set to grow at 19.2% year on year for the next few years, while revenue is set to grow at a solid 9% for the next few years as well. So just some risks to keep in mind: more than 5% of their investment properties are rented out to theaters, more specifically AMC theaters and Regal cinemas. AMC seems to be on the verge of restructuring, so it is possible that it will take a massive hit on their business. However, it is only 5%, and what is happening is in the near term, so I am confident that the company will boost back from this small setback. So in terms of the technical analysis, we can see the stock price was very popular, consistently going up for the last 5 years. However, in 2020, it really crashed, dropping from about $84 to about $40, and is now trading at $65, which is a significant discount than what you look at it at the start of 2020. Here you could see it's actually been a conversion of all three lines, the 20, 50, and 200-day simple moving average, basically showing for the last 2/3 of the year, the stock price hasn't moved much, and that can actually be seen in the graph over here. So in terms of buying, I wouldn't classify it as overvalued because A, it has a good dividend, and B, it's trading closer to the 200-day simple moving average, which is one of the best places you could buy a stock, and you can see the stock isn't on a downtrend either, so that's an extra plus. So in some final words, Realty Income, with their ticker symbol O, has an amazing dividend, has a solid business model, acts as a very profitable landlord, is trading at a good stock price, and has a good future long run for dividend investors, as they pay off a 4.6% dividend yield at a very, very cheap price. So if you do choose to invest, make sure to do your own due diligence, and thanks for watching. Bye.